Hello and welcome to today's edition of In the Kitchen with Nutritional Designs. Today we're going to be featuring our Nana Flakes, 100% pure banana, no preservatives, no additives, made from the freshest bananas. This is shelf stable, can stay in your pantry for up to 2 years, and is resealable, so it's available whenever you want it. I'm sure many of you have had overripe bananas like this, or bananas that are green that you are waiting for them to get ripe. But not with Nana Flakes. They are available when you want them and when you need them. Today we're going to be featuring a smoothie made with our banana flakes. This is how they come, and 2 tablespoons are equivalent to about 1 medium banana. That is one of many applications you can use the Nana Flakes for. Nana Flakes are great in your cooking and baking, for cookies and cakes and muffins. You can also use it as a fat replacer or as an egg replacer. It's a great addition to anybody's kitchen for any foods that you'd like to prepare. So today we're making a strawberry banana smoothie with peaches and mangoes. You can use fresh fruit, frozen fruit, whatever you have available, or a combination of the two like I'm using. I'm going to add in some almond milk for liquid, as well as a few ice cubes to keep it cold. So we'll start off by putting in some of our strawberries into our jar, some peaches, and again, you can use any amount that you like depending on the flavors that you like, some mango, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of the Nana Flakes. Again, you can use more, you can use less, depending on how much banana flavor that you like. A little almond milk, and a few ice cubes to get it going. Close it up and blend in the NutriBullet. So quick. Just open it up now, pour it into a glass, and enjoy. Delicious. What a great way to use your Nana Flakes.